SciPy sparse data. What is a sparse data? Sparse data is data that has mostly unused elements that do not carry any information. It can be an array like this one 1 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Sparse data is a data set where most of the item values are 0. Density array is the opposite of sparse array, most of the values are not 0. In scientific computing, when we are dealing with partial derivatives in linear algebra, we will come across sparse data. How to work with sparse data? SciPy has a module SciPy.sparse that provides functions to deal with sparse data. There are primarily two types of sparse matrix that we use. CSC, compressed sparse column, for efficiency arithmetic fast column slicing. CSR, compressed sparse row, for fast row slicing faster matrix vector products. We will use the CSR matrix in this tutorial. CSR matrix. We can create CSR matrix by passing an array into function SciPy.sparse.csr underscore matrix method. Create a CSR matrix from an array. See, by creating this one, the result returns this 0.0510618082. From the result, we can see that there are 3 items with value. The one item is row 0 position 5 has the value 1. The 2 item is in row 0 position 6 and has the value 1. The 3 item is in row 0 position 8 and has the value 2. Spare matrix methods. Weaving stored data not the 0 items with the data property. See the result by executing this code, the result returns is 112. Counting non-zeros with the count underscore non-zero method. See, by executing count underscore non-zero method, the result is 3. Removing 0 entries from the matrix with the eliminate underscore zeros method. See, by using mat.eliminate the underscore zeros method, see the result returns this. Eliminating duplicate entries with the sum underscore duplicates method. See, eliminating duplicates by adding them. See, by adding this, by executing this code, the result returns this. Converting from CSR to CSC with a TOCSC method. See, by using TOCSC method, we are converting from CSR to CSC method. See, the result is 2011112. See, is converted. Apart from the method sparse specific operations, sparse matrix support all of the operations that normal matrix support. Example, reshaping, summing, arithmetic, broadcasting, etc. Okay friends, this is the end of part 4, SciPy sparse data. In next video, let us learn about another topic, SciPy graphs. SciPy graphs. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.